In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see your Instagram original Gmail address. The original Gmail associated with your Instagram account is crucial for account recovery, security alerts, and communication. It allows you to reset your password if you get locked out and receive notifications about suspicious activities or login attempts. To see your OG, simply head to your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings. On the settings page, select on this first option of Account Center. You will then head to Personal Details. On Contact Info, you will see your Instagram original Gmail. This email is where Instagram sends important updates and information, making it essential to maintain access to your original Gmail for the overall security and management of your Instagram account. That's how easy it is to see your original Gmail for your Instagram account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.